This is Jingle Bells. This is going to be the simplest strumming pattern that I will do for Jingle Bells. It's going to be just a strum on the first beat of each measure. And I'm going to use the chords E, A, and B7. Here we go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. This is Jingle Bells, pretty similar to the last version, but we're going to use the same chords, E, A, and B7. And this time I'm going to strum on the first and third beats of each measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. So this time on Jingle Bells, I am going to add in a bass note along with my strums. So here's what I mean. When we look at our E chord, we have 6 notes that we're strumming. I'm going to start by picking my low E string and then strumming all 6. So try that a few times. Low E strum, low E strum, low E strum. And what I'm going to do is alternate between this low E bass note and this B note on the A string, 2nd fret of the A string. So it'll go something like this. I messed it up. Try it again. So that's for the E. On the A, I'm going to do something similar. I'm going to be alternating between the open A string and the open E string. But this time, instead of starting on the low E, I'm going to start on the A. So A, strum, E, strum, A, strum, E, strum. So put those together. E, strum, B, strum, E, strum, E, strum, E, strum, B, strum, E, strum, B, strum, A, strum, E, strum, E, strum, B, strum. And that'll bring us to the B7. So we'll play this B, the same that we did in the E chord. So B, B7 strum. And this one, I'm actually going to move down to 2nd fret of the low E string, which is the note F sharp. So it'll be B, B, strum, F sharp, strum, B, strum, F sharp, strum. So now I'm going to try to play it and sing it at the same time. Not aiming for perfection here. I'm just aiming for music that feels good, flows, and sounds pretty good. So here we go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. So this time, I'm going to still use the same chords for Jingle Bells, E, A, and B7. But this time, I'm going to be a little bit more free with my strumming pattern. It's not going to be necessarily set in stone, but more flowing along with the music. So follow along here. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. One more version just for fun. I'm not going to explain everything that I'm doing here, but I will try to transcribe it so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to add in a few extra chords, and I'm going to mix strumming and bass notes and just have some fun with this. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. There you have it. That's Jingle Bells 5 different ways. Have fun with it. If you have any questions about anything that I'm doing, if there's something that I haven't explained, leave a comment and let me know, and I will be sure to address that in a future video. See you soon.